Are you living in the home of your dreams or the one that you have to? Are you driving the car that you want or the one that you can afford? Can you plan for your next holiday? How about retirement?
With Te whānau o Aotearoa,
In our money management program, we share some of the financial tools and knowledge required for you to be able to live the best life for you, your whānau and your community. Study with us and learn strategies to manage your personal finances, from planning and budgeting, savings and investments to wealth protection. Through this fees-free program, you'll gain skills to manage your finances or use it in a career in business administration, financial services, or running your own business. Delivered through a mixture of in-class teaching and workshops, we've designed your learning around 5 modules, each one directed by one of our experienced tutors. Your money management journey can start now. If you can commit to 20 weeks of dedicated learning, you can gain the tools to secure your financial goals. You'll need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te whānau o Aotearoa, we want you to succeed, which is why we offer a range of free services to our students, including student support, program support, online tools and access to world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come and see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e hoa ma.